What up, Craftly? So today we are headed out to the streets to see if we can find something cool or something to craft with in the thrift. And we're not just going to any thrift, we're going to a thrift far out in a distant land called Rockville, Maryland. So we're going to head out there, see what we can find. Come hang with your boy. Let's go. All right, we had our first stop of our Rockville tour. This is Humane Together Thrift and Gift. Let's head inside and see if we can find some heat. Yo, right off the bat, this is a 90s knit kid grail. Now, if you don't know what this is a 1995 Nickelodeon Time Blaster alarm clock. Now, I've seen people sell them for upwards to $300 online. One sold for $189 this month alone. Now, if Rockville's starting off like this, we're about to be in for a treat. All right, let's check the price on this. Whatever it is, I'm paying it. Oh, dang. For display purposes. That sucks. Dang. On the plus side, they got the entire aerobic dancing set. I might grab this so I can be in the house killing them. Like,
what the hell is going on? What's the matter with it? It's all fun. Hey, what the hell is going on?
Okay, let's see what else they got going on here. Jesus. I don't like how this thing is looking to my soul like this. And why are you so sad? Their board game section seem to be popping. You just got to be kind of weary of stuff like this because sometimes they may be missing pieces. But they do have some cool pieces over here. Check out this Nickelodeon Scene It for only $5. They also have the Simpsons Battle of the Sexes, Apples to Apples, and this Disney Scene It. Found this cool Mando plush. And the stuff in Nightmares. Didn't really find anything in the clothing section. That was kind of disappointing. Can anybody tell me who this is? I'm drawing a blank. It's only $4. I'm leaning towards Final Fantasy. Now this is perfect for any podcast or YouTube setup. It's a good vibes neon sign. They only want $5 for it. They said it's been tested. It's going for $28 online. It's a pretty good deal. Now I didn't really find anything for myself, but we did find this dinosaur for $5 for the boy. But we're going to head on out and head to our next thrift. Next, we're at the Goodwill on Rockville Pike. Let's head in and see what they got. Found these Kookaburra slippers by UGG. They want $14 for them. One just sold for $35 plus shipping online. Great find. No. Found these cool Mickey shorts. Now, if you're going to Disney anytime soon, check out our Mickey and Minnie ear tutorial. I'll leave a link to that in the description box down below. Y'all, check out how nice this thrift store bathroom is. It's crazy. Now, this might be cool to craft with. You can put like different rocks or gems or stones in there. Give it a real unique look. Maybe put it on the accent table. Kind of cool. Now, I've really been into hockey jerseys lately. Found this one for $7. Kind of cool. I'm going to grab it. Came over to the toy section to see if they had anything. I couldn't find anything at all. And I mean, I couldn't find... On my way out, I came across this cool Shutter Island movie poster. They wanted $20 for it. I'ma just leave it here. Came across some Nike Air Max 86 OGs. They want $35 for them. One just sold for $190 plus shipping online. Great find. All right, so we're done at the Goodwill. Let's head out to our last thrift of the day. All right, y'all. Now, believe it or not, this is my first time stepping in the Salvation Army. I'm really excited. Let's check in. Found this Tommy Hilfiger jacket. I really like it. They want $20 for it. It's not bad. Who keeps donating these single packs ahead to the thrift? Like, whose scalp is this for? Tell me, whose scalp? Y'all remember everybody and their mother had one of these with their initials on it? Found 2 jean jackets in really good condition. They wanted $10 a piece for them. Not bad. Found this 1986 Teddy Ruxpin blanket. They bought $14 for it. Couldn't find much on eBay, but one sold for $43 on Etsy. Cool find. Oh man, here's 2 of my all-time favorite movies, Blank Man and Good Burger. But alas, there's nothing in this one, and the Good Burger was super scratched. Jeez. Alright, y'all, I'm not seeing anything else. Then I'm gonna head on out. If you like this video, please consider hitting that like and that share button. Follow Craftletics on all our socials, y'all. Check out Rules and Rogues. We got stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Peace.